Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully there's some ladies collecting cards out there. I know there's one lady, Eric's mom. Welcome to Joey and
Jerras.
Definitely our 14th box break, without a doubt. I added them up. We got it all figured out. Box number 31. This is our 14th break. So if you're in on the last one and I called it the 14th, I'm sorry. But I did say ish. Here we are, Wednesday, August 24th. Late at night. I'm not sure if you're going to get the link tonight, but good luck. If not tonight, you'll get it tomorrow for sure. Luxury Suite. 4 packs, as you already know. 3 cards per pack on average. And good luck. Toronto Maple Leafs. Keith Ollie, rookie. 649 out of 899. Pittsburgh Penguins. Evgeny Malkin. Jersey card. 57 out of 599. And we have a redemption. It is rookies, Group 3, number 159. Which would be not Casey Wellman, not Robin Leonard. Oh well, I would have took that one. But Alexander Vazanunov. Okay, yeah, so, you know, you're happy, whoever that is out there who gets that. I'll make sure you get that. I have no idea who that person plays for. Second pack. Jamie McBain, Carolina Hurricanes. $562 out of $899. Again with the Maple Leafs, dual jersey, Kulemin and Grabovski. $328 out of $599. And again with the Maple Leafs, Boston's favorite player, now that he's been traded for #1 picks, Phil Kessel, prime jersey, 15 out of 150. I guess that's not bad. Save the thick pack for the end. Good box for Toronto so far, 3 cards. We don't give away a lot of Toronto cards. Justin Braun, San Jose Sharks. 29 out of 899. Not a jersey number. Eric Stahl, another Carolina Hurricanes card. $5.99 out of $5.99. That's a good card. Gotta like that one. And we have private signings. St. Louis Blues. Cam Jensen. Nice. Jeez, he used up the whole card. Edge to edge on that one. Look at the auto. Edge to edge. Well, almost the edge. And a spacer. And last pack. It's a thick one. Grant Klitzum from Columbus Blue Jackets. $464 out of $899. Martin Brodeur, New Jersey Devils. $137 out of $599. And the last card's nice. The last card is a rookie autograph. Jacob Markstrom. Patch card. Well, prime jersey card. Sorry, I said patch, guys. That's prime jersey. Numbered 20 out of 299. Nice hit. What number is he? I see a 3, not a jersey card. Alright, well, thanks a lot. And feedback's always appreciated. Positive, negative, either way. Let us know what you want. And we'll see you next time. Hey guys, okay, another surprise bonus. Luxury Suite pack. Being random, person on top after 3 randoms wins the pack. I'm opening it. If there's an Ottawa card, I'm keeping it, but I'll send you something else. of equal or lesser value. No, I'm just kidding. I'll send you a good card though. Here's everybody that didn't hit, the teams that didn't hit. So if you didn't get a card, you should have seen your name there. Person on top after 3. 1. Washington. Show them the teams too. 21 teams. You guys can do the math. 2. Philadelphia to Phyllis. And number 3. It is Phoenix Coyotes to KJ Deals. Let's rip that pack open and I'll send that out too. There's the pack. It's out of the same box as last time. Oh yeah, and just so you know, the redemption card is going to New Jersey. We checked it out. I've loaded all your stuff up here into cases already, and they will be shipped out tomorrow. Good luck. Stefan Giunta, New Jersey Devils. 16 out of 899. Nick Foligno and Chris Neal, Ottawa Senators. I'm keeping it. 299 out of 599. And Nick Johnson from Pittsburgh. 123. Hey, that's kind of cool. 123 out of 499. Alright, so that's yours. I'll send you something else. I don't think this card's worth very much, but I will definitely send you an extra card. And I'll try to make it for your team. Actually, you know what? Phyllis, was it Phyllis? Mm-hmm. Phyllis, just send me a message. Tell me which team you want a player for. I'm sure I have.
No, KJ Deals.
KJ Deals. No, I'm sorry, not Phyllis. KJ Deals. Send me a message when you see the video and tell me which one. I'm not going to send your stuff until you let me know which team you'd like. Try and tell me a player, too, or a few, and I'll try and get you that. Have a good night. Thanks again for participating, and sorry if you didn't get a hit.